Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add a GitHub profile link to your resume. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com if you're not already. So once you have it open up, you'll be greeted by the main page, and now we can get started logging in. So in the upper right corner, you're going to have the register option and the sign up option. If you do not already have an account, you go ahead and create an account. And if you have an account, you can just log in normally. So after logging in, now you can get started. So by logging into your account, now we can get started by greeting this repositories page right here. We have our home page where we can take a look at our home info, all our projects, and so on. And now we can get started linking our resume. So basically what we can do is click our profile icon right here in the upper right corner. By clicking on your profile picture, it's going to open up this new drop down menu where we can take a look at all the options we can access, and what we want to open up is our profile. By opening up our profile, it's going to look like this, where we can take a look at our profile link. And basically guys, here at the top of the screen is our profile link. This URL is your GitHub profile link that once somebody opens up, they'll be able to take a look at your repositories and your projects if they're public. So make sure to make them public, and once you copy this link and put it into your resume, they can then open it up and take a look at your GitHub, and it's easy as that. So you want to go ahead and take a look at it for yourself. That's how you can do it with your profile. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.